Did you know that the little red squirrel you might spot in your local park is facing a serious crisis? It's not just the natural world that threatens their survival, there's a hidden danger creeping in from the gadgets we use every day. Imagine walking through your neighborhood woods, earbuds in, scrolling through your phone. You might not realize how this tech-driven lifestyle impacts wildlife. Many believe these squirrels can easily adapt, but can they really? The answer may surprise you. As urban areas expand, red squirrels are being pushed into smaller habitats filled with our technology. Wi-Fi signals, Bluetooth devices, and even drones disrupt their natural behaviors in ways we never imagined. Picture a young red squirrel searching for food, but the familiar sounds of rustling leaves are drowned out by the constant hum of nearby gadgets. This is just an annoyance, it's a matter of survival. These squirrels rely on their sharp hearing to detect predators and find food. When those natural sounds are masked by technology, their world becomes perilous. You might wonder how a few gadgets can create such chaos. The answer lies in the frequencies we often take for granted. These signals can interfere with how squirrels communicate and navigate, leaving them vulnerable. Imagine being in a crowded city where your ability to hear is diminished. You'd feel lost, right? That's exactly how these squirrels feel. Let's not forget the physical spaces we are invading. Urban parks should be refuges for wildlife. This bustling environment can deter squirrels from venturing into their own territories. Instead of foraging for food, they often end up hiding. And there's more to consider. The danger increases with the plastic waste linked to our gadgets. Discarded items not only clutter their habitats but also pose ingestion risks for these curious creatures. It's a double whammy that often goes unnoticed. So what can we do about it? You might feel powerless, but small changes can make a big difference. Consider unplugging during your nature walks. Leave your phone behind. Just imagine how much quieter that park would be, and how much more at ease the squirrels would feel. Take a moment to reflect, when was the last time you truly disconnected? Nature thrives in silence, and so do the creatures that inhabit it. You have the power to create space for them, even if it's just for a little while. If this conversation resonates with you, think about sharing it with someone who might understand. Together we can create a ripple effect that helps preserve the beauty of nature and its often overlooked inhabitants. Imagine a world where the gentle rustling of leaves is drowned out by the constant buzz of technology. This is just an annoyance for us, it's a silent crisis for red squirrels. These vibrant little creatures are facing dangers that often go unnoticed in our urban backyards, and the gadgets we rely on are significantly impacting their habitats. Every new phone and Wi-Fi signal intrudes on their space, and their stressed signals are becoming increasingly apparent, clear signs that something is seriously wrong. Picture this: you're enjoying a sunny afternoon, scrolling through your phone, while a red squirrel darts nervously from tree to tree, its tiny heart racing. It's not just foraging for food, it's trying to escape the invisible waves of technology that disrupt its world. This issue extends beyond squirrels. It highlights our coexistence with nature. With each new tech innovation, we often forget the delicate balance that sustains life around us. The more we plug in, the more these creatures disconnect from their natural habitats. Here's where it gets concerning. Researchers have found that urban areas with high technology usage report increased stress behaviors in squirrels. Can you imagine a vibrant park filled with laughter and life slowly turning into a ghost town due to unnoticed tech disruptions? Now let's think practically. What if every time you upgraded your gadget, you also made a choice to help their habitat? Simple actions can create a significant impact. From supporting urban green spaces to advocating for wildlife protection, there are many ways to make a difference. As we wrap up this discussion, take a moment to reflect on the impact of your tech choices. What if the next time you reach for your phone, you paused for just a second? Think about the red squirrels and the hidden struggles they face. You have the power to make a difference. So the next time you hear that familiar ping, remember you're not just connecting with a screen, you're part of a larger narrative zone that can either protect or disrupt. Choose wisely. Have you ever spotted a red squirrel darting through the trees, only to be interrupted by the buzz of a nearby drone? This lively creature, once a common sight, now faces hidden threats in our urban landscapes. Most of us see technology as a harmless companion, but what if I told you that our devices are quietly encroaching on the homes of these squirrels, pushing them to their limits? Many people don't realize how their gadgets disrupt the delicate balance of nature. Imagine walking through your favorite park, phone in hand, unaware that the very signal it needs is intruding on a red squirrel's territory. It's startling to think that a simple text could create chaos in their world. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. Consider the construction sites you pass daily, filled with loud machinery and noise. Have you noticed how quickly squirrels vanish from these areas? Fire not just scared fire being driven out of their homes by our relentless pursuit of progress, while their habitats disappear as we scroll through our feeds. What's even more alarming is that these little creatures are struggling to adapt. A red squirrel's territory is vital for its survival, yet technology and urban expansion are shrinking it faster than we can imagine. It's a race